welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. If you guys, Deandra, like, hello, spirit fingers, what the fuck. I knew that I wanted like this fresh look, summery look, and the eyes just very simple, the lip very simple, just like a fresh face. I'm saying it, okay? Just a fresh face. That was the ideal here. That was the goal here, and I think that we achieved it. And I also do feature a new foundation that I've been trying out, and I've also been loving it. If you guys want like a further in-depth review of the foundation, definitely like this video. Let me know down below. So if you guys are interested in getting this fresh, easy makeup look for summertime, then I mean, I guess keep on watching. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering what I use to curl my hair, and maybe you guys aren't even wondering, the curling wand I use is just the 3-in-1 NUME. I just love soft waves. Even though it's like 100 degrees out, and as soon as I go outside they're probably just going to all fall, and I'm not gonna have any curls by the end of the day, but I still decided to curl my hair. So here we are with curled hair in 100-degree weather. Yeah, if you guys are interested in getting this summery, easy, fresh makeup look, then I mean, keep watching. I've already applied my Witch Hazel toner. I always apply this day and night, or I try to anyways. I do feel like it helps my complexion. Lately I've been slacking and not using this, and I can totally tell the difference in my skin. It's a new moisturizer I picked up from LUSH, Skin Drink Moisturizer, which I was like super excited about. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're putting this moisturizer, this Skin Drink Moisturizer, onto the face, and it looks like this brown, muddy, very clean smelling lotion, and it's very thick. It's so moisturizing. It is really thick, but it doesn't feel thick onto the face like when you're rubbing it in, yes, but it just like soaks in, and it just feels so nice. My skin like just soaks it all up. It's just so great. So yeah, I'm gonna let that kind of sit. Before I started filming, I did spray some glow mist. I want myself and you to glow. I want us to just be glowing goddesses. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani Instant Touch-Up. I've been using it ever since I got it. I really, really love it. It just mattifies that area and really just makes my pores really small in that area. So I am featuring this bad boy, this new NARS Radiant Foundation, because I have been loving it, especially now for the summertime. Where I live, it is super freaking hot. It's lit where I live. It's pretty freaking hot, and this foundation is holding up. The only thing is I don't think it's my color. Once I get tanned, I'm gonna have to go into Sephora and get me a new foundation. I'm not planning on changing it anytime soon, because I do plan on getting a spray tan within like the week or 2 weeks, just because I don't know, I'm just tired of being like this pale white looking color. Yes, tan me, because I'm ready. So I absolutely love it. Am I talking too much? Because ooh, I forgot I had eyebrow on. Ooh, see, this is just not for me. What was I doing? I already have primer on, have foundation. Okay, we're gonna go with foundation. That's why I was talking about it. See what shade am I in? I'm in Fiji L5, so if you're as white as me, this will be the shade for you. You can kind of tell that it's just off looking. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my concealer, and I'm gonna go in with the Tarte concealer, and I'm just going to, of course, apply that where concealer goes. I'm going to blend that in right here. So I just have a couple palettes. I don't really know which one I'm going to dive into. I have the Huda Beauty. I have the Soft Glam palette because I'm absolutely loving it. I also did choose the CARLI BYBEL palette just because this has such soft colors. I'm just going to dive into this shade right here. I'm just going to apply that under the brow bone just to kind of highlight it. And I honestly don't know why I start with the brow bone first. I've always just done that, even though it fades away after you know, I blend in my shadows. And I'm just going to apply that into the crease color. And just circular motions, just kind of blending that in. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this color just to give it some more dimension and just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. And like I said, I'm going for a very like soft, summery, glowy look here. So now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Glotion. Now that my face is wet and I just have concealer, that's the best time when you want to use it. And then you apply the powder to set it. So now I'm just going to grab it with my finger, or you can use like a beauty sponge and just dab it onto wherever you want to glow, basically. So I'm just going to add it to my cheek area. And you can instantly see the gorgeous glow that it gives. Just that way it kind of melts into the skin and you can instantly see how beautiful. It's like a natural radiant glow. So now I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to go into a triangle motion. So I'm just going to start, of course, just go right under my under eyes and then directly upwards. That way I just stay out of my highlight area. I want that area to stay nice and tacky. That way when I do apply the powder highlight, it's just very intensified. Let that powder kind of just set onto my face. I'm just going to go right back in to my my eye area, and I'm just going to start blending. This shade right over here. Do these shades have names? They don't. I just noticed that CARLI's palette doesn't have names. So I'm going to use this shade right here. It's always the best. I'm just going to kind of blend those colors eventually. And then I'm going to go in with cashmere, and I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to apply that kind of just to the outer. And I'm just going to take a very small brush, apply those colors into that inner corner. Now I'm going to spray the Glow Mist. And honestly, keep spraying this like on your makeup sponge, like throughout your whole makeup routine, and this will make your foundation last and look a lot fresher, a lot longer. Pro tip, just kidding, I don't even know. Okay, same colors that I used in my crease, I'm just going to bring those downwards. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm just going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just going to go in with these two colors. Get color back into the face. I'm just going to take the Milani bronzer in Glow Baked Bronzer. It just gives a really pretty color to the face, and that's what I'm like loving for this summer, like that bronzed look. Okay, so I just lined my lips with NYX lip liner in Natural. This is probably like my favorite lip liner other than MAC Subculture and MAC Strip Down. If I needed like a drugstore lip liner, it would be Natural NYX because it is the best. Just saying. Go in with Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that into the upper waterline. You can put it in your lower, upper, whatever you guys want to do. And that's about it. So I'm gonna go put on mascara. You guys have seen me put on mascara, I feel like already like 4 times. So I think you guys are pretty over it. Back with mascara. I actually went to TJ Maxx a couple of days ago just to kind of, I like to go to like walk around. I like to go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross. Like those are my stores. Like I just like to walk around and just basically look. I actually came across, I was looking through like their makeup section, and I came across the SMASHBOX lipstick. Why can't I talk? I came across a SMASHBOX lipstick, and it was in the most beautiful color. It's called C Word. And it's so aggravating. It's so aggravating. Like, that's probably why I play music most of the time, because I feel like I make a fool of myself more than I do not talking. So I just rather be mute, because when I talk I just sound stupid. Anyways, so it's called Safe Word, and it's a beautiful matte brown color. It's like my kind of brown, and I'm a nudie patootie kind of girl. I love nudes. Love, love, love. And typically SMASHBOX lipsticks are what, $18? They're expensive. For $7, can I say win situation? So yeah, it's just like this really beautiful, let me just swatch it for ya. Pretty. So that is what I'm going to be putting on my lips, and I'm just going to kind of dab it on. So I want this look to be soft. I absolutely love this color out of the CARLI BYBEL palette. I think it's gorgeous. I'm actually going to go in one more time with the Glow Mist. I'm trying to be glowy and just apply that over top. Holy patrolly. Patrolly means. Is that even a word? Like, where did I even come up with? Whatever. I feel like a highlighting goddess. Now I'm gonna go in with Amrezi's, and honestly I could have just used this one highlighter and I would have been good to go, but I wanna make it bright. Okay, so now I'm gonna let the hair down. I felt like I needed a gloss, so I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. I don't know. It's in 66 Too Cute. I think that's good. Those lip lacquers are so bomb. They're so like soft and creamy. It reminds me of like a Vaseline on my lips. So yeah. Anyways, guys, so this is the completed, finished, glowy, summery look. That's what I wanted. Just something very quick and easy for the summertime. I think this is going to be my new go-to summer look. It's just very soft on the eyes, very soft on the lips, but very glowy on the skin. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I hope that you guys try it out, this summery, glowy look. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. I feel like my studio lights kind of wash me out, but I just wanted to show you guys how glowy that like kind of actually washes me out too. Just wanted to show you guys how glowy the face actually looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.